You are sitting in traffic, and you notice the temperature needle creeping higher and higher while your cooling fans stay silent. And then the check engine light mocks you from the dash. This is the classic scenario for a P0694 code, which means your cooling fan number 2 relay control circuit is reading high. This powertrain code applies to almost any car built after 1996, and it is something you want to take seriously because an overheating engine can lead to a warped head or a blown gasket in no time. Your engine's radiator fans are powered by electric motors that are controlled by the power control module, or PCM, based on what the engine coolant temperature sensor, the ECT, is telling. When that sensor says it is getting too hot, the PCM sends a ground signal to the fan relay to kick the fans into gear. When the fans are supposed to be off, the voltage on that circuit stays high, near battery voltage, because it is not grounded. But if the PCM tries to turn the fan on and the voltage stays high instead of dropping to near zero, it triggers this code. In my years as a technician, I have found that a faulty relay is almost always the villain here. A quick and easy trick you can try is to find another relay in your fuse box that is exactly the same, swap them, clear the code, and see if the problem goes away. If the fans start working, you just need a new relay. But a word of caution here, especially for you Nissan owners, because some relays look identical in shape and size but have different internal wiring or colors. If you plug the wrong one in, you could actually fry your PCM, and that is a much more expensive mistake than a simple relay. If the relay swap does not work, you might be looking at a blown fuse or a wiring issue, and in very rare cases, the computer itself might be failing. Make sure you check the cooling fan 2 fuse before you start tearing things apart, as a simple blown fuse can save you hours of diagnostic work. Since the risk of overheating is so high with this specific code, I really recommend you do not drive the car long distances until you get those fans spinning again.